You got the buy one get one. Really like what Milwaukee is doing. I'm surprised that Ryobi is actually doing this. 70-piece mechanics tools. Alright, we got the top deals at the Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more tool deals, price glitches. Alright, so pretty much this is going to be following the Memorial Day week. Then we got this toolbox. This is $8.98. This is a matte finish with it looks like gloss black. Really love 15 drawer, 52 inch. So that's really nice from the Husky. And then they got this on sale. This pellet grills, $3.89, $3.49. I will try to leave all the links down below in the description section of the video in case you guys are interested. They still got these guys. These are solid deals. The buy one get one free. So $2.99 and that $3.99 will get you a free accessory or a free attachment. They got this one as well on clearance, $2.39 from $6.29. This is a chainsaw. It's a battery powered chainsaw. It says 12-inch battery powered chainsaw. And then they got the new return policy. According to June 16th, they're going to change. Everything's going to be different on the return policy on generators, pressure washers, air conditioners. You got a 40-volt brushless combo kit on clearance for $2.19 down from $4.49. That's a blower and string trimmer. Kits, you got 7 1/4 circ saw. This one's $65 on clearance. This is the clearance section, guys. And they got these on cages. I don't know, are people stealing these big boxes? They're walking out with these air conditioning. Why are they putting these on cages? That's crazy. Even the ACs are getting put behind bars. You got 1148. I will leave the links to the DIY versions. Yes, they do make DIY versions of these, and you guys are able to save some money with that. They do come with pre-charge the gases and the Freon. Guys, if you guys don't know, some of the stores do have the brand new pack out drawer, the rolling drawer. You do have to look up on the storage. You got this on clearance, $197 down from $249 for the 6-gallon wet and dry vacuum. $270 down from $299 for the 9-gallon dual battery wet and dry vacuum. These are the newer vacuums that they just released maybe about a year ago. Some of them already on clearance, like this one. This one's the one we saw over there. They actually do have it in stock at this store. They got the buy one get one free, so you get into those tools on the left. I do apologize for the image, not the clearest, but you can buy any other kits there on the M12 kits on the right, and you get a free tool. There's another section. I'll show you guys a better image of this deal, but those are awesome deals. If you guys didn't know, impact drivers are drilling tools as well, not just drills or hammer drills, but yeah, they make bits specifically for drilling for impact drivers. These are some concrete bits. If you guys don't know, they do make them. All right, so $199. This is the cheapest version or the cheapest kit you can get with the free tool. So you buy this starter kit at $199, we'll get you a free tool. It does include a 2 amp hour and a 5. And if you guys want the best one, which is this one, $299, we'll get you one free tool. But this one does include those two high output batteries. And these are all good tools. I mean, they're better tools. They're fuel that included with that $299. And then the cheaper ones are obviously included with that $199. All right, some of the tools include the jigsaw. Those are all fuel. The brand new blower, the oscillating tool, the hammer drill, the impact wrench, the angle grinder. So those are all fuel tools. Those are all brushless, top of the line Milwaukee tools. They are included with that deal. And then the bottom one does include the cheaper ones, which if I were to get one, I would get this vacuum. That is the one to get with this cheaper kit. And you can get the top off. I do have that top off. It does have USB Type-C fast charging for cell phones and computers. Plus, you're getting that inverter technology for house outlets. You got if you guys got those batteries. So $19.97 for the filters for those smaller vacs. $14.97 for that tip, the air tip that they call it. And then $12.97 for the air tip with the brush. Pretty solid deals on those. And here's another image of that buy one get one free. $3.49 for the impact driver and hammer drill combo with the hard case, 2 batteries. And then you got the high torque. Yes, this is the brand new high torque impact wrench, $3.49. It's an excellent deal. And these are the other tools you guys can get with that $2.99 kit. The mid torque impact wrench, the grease gun, and that inflator. Those 3 tools, guys, just make it worth, actually 4, because that's the new blower. Make it worth that $2.99 price. So definitely check it out. That's a really good buy one get one free. All right, so they got the sleeves for $16.47. They got some towels here. Because we're here in Phoenix, it gets up to 120, 118 degrees. So it gets really hot here. $29. This is actually a pretty nice kit. It does include a hard case and all sorts of different bits. $29.97 for the 15 piece, and then $19.97 for this red helix. So those are all drilling for your drills and drilling bits. All right, $2.99 for the extended reach ratchet and some sockets. You got the buy one get one free, obviously, with those M12 tools that I was telling you guys earlier. So you buy that $229 kit, impact driver and drill, 2 batteries, charger, in the case for $229, get a free tool, or that $199 with the installation driver. Excellent deal on that. You guys are able to hack these, guys. Yes, these are able to be hacked. If you guys don't know what it is, leave it down in the comment section. I'm pretty sure myself or some of the fellow YouTubers will answer your questions. $29.97 for this whole saw kit. This is an 8-piece, 1.5, 2-inch, up to 2 1/4. $39.88 for the 8-piece multi-tool blade set. Now this one does include some. Actually, this one tells you what includes bimetal. Includes some metal, some wood, extreme metal, nitrous carbide. So all sorts of different materials for $29.88. Not bad for a 5-piece. And then most of these are going to be wood on the other one. $149 for the subcompact brushless tool combo kit with 2 batteries, charger, in the case. You got $4.99 for this one. This is a 7-tool combo kit. This is actually not bad, guys. If you guys are on a budget, you're starting out, you're buying your first set of tools, you want something good to go on that one, you're pretty much set on that. So $129 for the brand new Bluetooth job site speaker. And then $14.98 for this titanium drill bit set, 22 piece. All right, they got the vacuum. This is the Ryobi vacuum. This one is actually qualifies for the buy one get one free. I believe this $199 and you get a free tool. So definitely check it out. This one's a really, really good deal. It's selling out, so make sure you guys pick it up before it sells out. I'll leave you guys the links down below in the description section of the video. There was actually none of these available at the store. They're already sold out at this store. I'm pretty sure they're going to get some more. All right, so $99 for that 6 amp hour battery. You got some bits there. And then this is the cheaper one. This one's the $99 and get a free tool. Obviously, they're not going to be the same quality as the other one. But this was the $199. You get a free tool. And obviously, the top tier, this one's going to be top of the line tools. So the tripod is one of them available for this hack or this deal. Now, this one's a tri-power LED light. This is a tower light, just like the Milwaukee one. However, this one, you are able to put some more accessories, fans, lights, and looks like a radio on that swivel head right there. And there is the light that is removable. You guys are able to take it off or leave it on. And it is tri-powered, so 40 volts, 18 volts, and your AC outlet. So your extension cord, you guys are able to power everything. I'm surprised that Ryobi is actually doing this. Like Milwaukee and DeWalt, they're not doing this. Well, they are making it dual power, but not tri-power. Like, it would be nice if Milwaukee would make it an M12 and M18, and with an extension cord, basically. That would be nice. All right, so $179 for the 4-mode impact wrench, brushless impact wrench. These are all do qualify for that $199 kit. Get these for free. Now, unfortunately, they don't have any of these in the store. They were sold out already. But they do have this cheaper one. This one's what is it? A 4 and a 2 for $99. And then you're going to get a free tool as well with this. There's a lot of good tools to get with this one, don't get me wrong. Including these. These are oscillating tool, the reciprocating saw, and the adhesive gun. I'm going to get the adhesive gun. And the jigsaw, I do have it. It works great. And then you got the clamp speaker there as well. Oscillating tool, the reciprocating saw, and that adhesive gun there at the bottom, or that caulk gun, however you want to call it. And then these are available as well. You got the scrubber, the power scrubber, and that vacuum there at the bottom. They are available to get as a free tool. So, and that fan. So there's a whole bunch of tools to choose from, and they do have this one in stock. Same thing with this dual power inflator. This is another tool that's available with this promo. And that light, obviously. So that light's regular price is $79 and $69 for the dual power inflator. And then this ones are available as well with that $99 kit with that edge trimmer. And then that 200 CFM blower as well. It's not going to be the greatest blower, but it'll definitely help you clean up. You got $179 for this one. This one's a speed workbench. Now this one, you can use it for several different things. You can use this for your table saw, for your miter saw. You can even use it for woodworking. Whatever you do, you can fold it up, use it as a dolly. $89 for the 6-port charger. You got a 3/8 drill for $49.97. You got a compact laser level 15-footer for $19.97. $12.97 for the 40-piece drill drive set. Now these I haven't tested myself, the new ones. I tested the old ones. Personally, I do not like them, but the new ones, I haven't tested these. That was like about 7 years ago. Yeah, I still need to test the quality on the newer Ryobi. They got these nice brushes. Those are great for cleaning the grills, tougher stains and stuff like that on metal. And then they got these drills, impact driver and drill, 2-2 combo kit, very inexpensive. $149, I believe, is the price. You got $14.97 for these 6-piece multi reciprocating saw blades for the Diablo, and then you're getting a nice blade holder. $12.88 for these. These are your choice on these. You got a couple blades, or the spade bit set with a nice pouch. All right, $2.99 for the quick lock pole saw. That one does come with an extension. You got $2.29 for the pruning saw. So depending, and these do not come with batteries. It's just tool only. So both of these, but this one does come with an extended extension. And then you got the extra chain there in case you guys need an extra chain. Just pick it up while you have it, because it's hard to find later on. You got this edge trimmer. Now this one is $2.29. It's still a fuel 24-inch, so it's one of the newer ones. And then you got these hand tools, 6-in-1s. For $19.97. So most of these are $19.97 and $16.97 for the smaller ones, these key sets. And then locking pliers, C-clamp, and then that nail puller. All right, so they got this one. This was a 14-in-1. Really like what Milwaukee's doing, storing all the bits in the handle. That's a plus. You got a 6-in-1s strippers. And then you got the shears, the scissors. And then these, I love the way they labeled it. Very, very clear to look. Not a lot of tool brands do this, especially this clear, because usually they indent it on the tool. I know it lasts longer, but it's harder. All right, if you guys don't know, this is a pretty much a hard hat, safety hat. It's not considered a hard hat, but it's a safety hat. It does have some plastic in there, like a hard hat. It's actually heavier than a regular hard hat, or the regular hat. You got $19.97 for the tape measure, $16.97 for the 11-in-1, and then you got the fastback for $12.97. All right, $16.97 and $14.97. So there's different prices on these, and then you got the transfer pump for $2.49. Those are all plumbing tools. And then you got the pipe cutter there. So swing copper tubing cutter. And then you got the 13-in-1. Again, it just depends. I personally do have the 27-in-1, but it just depends on what you have available to you. And then you got some adjustables, 6-inch adjustables. And then here we got some face framing hammer, $31.97. Some screwdrivers and a nut driver there for $29.97. So this nut driver is pretty nice. It does come with several different sizes. So you just need a quick tool that has everything already built in. That's a perfect one for you. And then you got the high leverage handle, magnetic tip. These are magnetic screwdrivers. And then you got this really nice hammer with the rubber grip. Yeah, feels really good on the hand. You got some nice magnetic starter. And then you got this 270 piece mechanics tool set. It's actually a pretty nice set. Comes with 3 ratchets, a whole bunch of sockets. $119, that's a good price on that one. So definitely check it out. I'll leave you guys all the links. $498 for the Husky 52-inch toolbox, down from $548. It's a solid wood top, pretty nice, all black shiny. Milwaukee here. This is a toolbox from the Milwaukee. It comes with a little bit more features, and it is a little bit more expensive. It is a 52-inch, so it does have self-closing drawers, ball bearing. Got some nice deep drawers at the bottom and some protectors, some rubber protection on the corners there. You guys didn't know that they got these, the tilt bit organizers. Personally, I never seen one of these before. When I saw it, I'm like, what is this thing? But yeah, it's actually pretty interesting what they did with this. So this is meant to be removed from your pack out. It's meant to be used like this. So what you put it up like this, and you are able to unlock the bins and use it as a bin holder, like an organizer. If you guys got different parts and for your job site, so you guys are able to put that, and it's $99. You should be able to get that with the buy more save more. I believe Ace Hardware is doing it, so you guys are able to price match it. If you guys are able to get like a picture of the buy more save more from Ace Hardware, you guys should be able to price match it at the depot. All right, so $44.88, 70 piece there, and then check this out. This one's a really nice one with the pack out. It includes a lot of bits in here, some 4-inch bits. 70 piece, that's really nice. All right, so you got some lights. So you got a 450 lumen for $39.96, 300 lumen for $29.96, 550 lumen there for $69. That's a red lithium rubber light USB. $69.97 for the 600 lumen, $77 for that 800 lumen, $79 for that 500 lumen. So just depending on what you need, I personally do recommend you guys get with the red lithium. That's a solid brand. And it does come with those those batteries. You guys are able to swap in between those lights. If you guys got extra, you guys are able to buy some extra ones, and they're all rechargeable. So there's a magnetic light right there. That's a 300 lumen. Now this one I believe is not rechargeable. This one's battery powered. Yeah, it's the only one. All right, so they're talking about fans. I know it's getting hot out there. They got different ones. They got a hybrid Whisper Series Air Cannon 149 from the Ryobi. Or if you want traditional red Milwaukee, you got a dual power, battery powered or extension. Yep, right there. And that one is $249. So 18-inch fan. I know it's a little bit pricey, but you know, if you want something even bigger, check this one out. It's $199. It's the Whisper Series 6300 CFM 34-hour runtime. Now this one's a 40-volt battery powered air cannon 20-inch for $199. So definitely check it out. Guys, that's it for today. You guys have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more deals, price glitches, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.